We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hello, this is Chris from Onyx. In this video, I'll show you how to avoid paper jams from happening on your Lexmark MS810 printer. One of the causes of paper jams is the paper tray settings. To check them, pull out the paper tray and adjust the tabs to fit the paper size you are using. Make sure they are locked in place. The tabs can be moved to print different types of paper such as envelopes, cards, and more. Now you don't want to go past your max indicators because that can lead your printer to jam. Another cause is the paper alignment. Sometimes the paper in the tray is not aligned properly or the new paper is not mixed with the old one. This can cause the paper to feed unevenly or stick together. To prevent this, take out all the paper from the tray and put them together. Then you're going to fan it out to remove any condensation that may make the paper stick together. Next, you're going to align the edges of the paper so they are even on all sides. And finally, you're going to put the paper back into the tray. Make sure it's not too loose or too tight. Following these steps will help you eliminate some of the paper jams, but not all of them. If you still have frequent jams, it may be time to service your printer. Thank you for watching and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.